In the town of Thneedville, life is perfectly manufactured, and nature is long gone.
Hi, Ted.
Oh, hey, Audrey.
You want to see something cool?
Whoa! What are those?
Trees. Real ones. They used to grow all around here.
Oh, yeah?
What I want more than anything is to see a real living tree.
From the creators of Despicable Me.
What do you knuckleheads want?
See what he's up to.
So, you want to know what happened to the trees? But I didn't think anyone still cared.
Well, that's me, the guy who still cares.
It all started a long time ago when I accidentally summoned a mystical creature as old as time itself, the Lorax.
Hey!
Whoa.
Oh! Did you chop down this tree?
What's that?
Hey! I think he did it.
In 2012,
You need to change the way things are.
I won't let you down.
take a journey
Whoa, you got a beautiful town here, Ted. I can't think of any reason you'd ever want to go outside of town again.
and change the world.
Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not.
The last truffula seed.
It's not about what it is. It's about what it can become.
Bring it on, Teddy!
I could just kiss you right now. We don't have time for that.
I don't know, we have a little time.
The Lorax.
So who invited the giant furry peanut?
You calling me a peanut, huh? I'll go right up your nose.
Whoa! You wouldn't hit a woman.
That's a woman?